Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tricknology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to change Chromebook wallpaper. So you just need to follow me. So at first you just need to go to your settings option. So click over here, and after open settings window you just need to find wallpaper and styled option from your left side. As you can see, here is the wallpaper and style. So you just need to click on wallpaper and style. Also you can search over here wallpaper, and after that you can easily click on change wallpaper option if you are unable to find wallpaper and style. So after open wallpaper you just need to click on wallpaper option over here. So here you will get two options, wallpaper and skin saver, and after that from here you can easily change your wallpaper. Okay, you can set any wallpaper. You just need to click on that image which you want to set. So I hope this good tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.